now. Okay, we're picking back up on question number 6 on
Okay.
problem 3.
If we are defining success as having type A blood for number 6, I put the probability of a success was 0.40 because 40% of the people like tested are type A blood. You know, like 40% of the population in his area have type A blood. But they only tested we don't know how many people total they tested. So that's where I kind of got confused because I was like, how do I get the probability of that? Because 12 people we know had it. So I don't know. But that's just what I did there.
What is
I think it is 0.4. But the only thing is, how do we it says round to 4 decimal places. So it has to be like 0.4 something or 0.3 something.
Yeah, because now that I'm thinking about it, it's more like 40% of the population had type A, but these 12 random donors qualified to give blood. It doesn't say whether or not they have type A blood. So
if we're making dynasty, doesn't it mean they have to have like O type or like A to be able to donate it?
I mean, you don't have, if it's only like 1 decimal place, you don't have to do 4. Like that's just like if it's more than 4. So I think it's 0.4.
Okay.
But at the same time, we have 12 donors who qualify. What it's basically saying, what is the probability that somebody out of them 12 donors will have type A blood? You know what I mean? Because they've just been screened, they did not have their blood typed, and 12 people qualified just based on their criteria. They haven't typed their blood yet. So we know that 40% of the population have type A blood where he's from. So it's 40% of these 12 people are likely to have A blood. You know what I mean? So maybe it's, I really don't know.
I think you were looking too deep into it again. I think what you had originally said made sense.
Yeah, I mean, because if that's what we're defining success as in this trial, 40% are likely, even if it's 12 people, 40% of them are likely to have type A blood.
Yeah, I think we should just go with that. I think it makes the most sense.
It makes sense, yeah.
Okay, moving on. 7. Because that, when you first explained it, it made sense to me.
Okay, yeah.
All right, calculate the mean and standard deviation for this distribution.
Okay. This whole problem, just problem 3, I was struggling on in general.
Yeah, it was a pretty hard one.
So I didn't get very far on problem 3.
For the mean, I got 4.8, and for the standard deviation, I got 1.7.
For the mean I got 4.7, and for the standard deviation I got 1.6971. I think we're like really close numbers, so it's either, I think you rounded it and I didn't.
And what did you get for that one?
For the mean I got 4.7 and she got a 4.8. And then for the standard deviation I got 1.6971. And what did you get, Beau?
Question are we on?
For the standard deviation.
We're on question 7.
Okay, I thought I heard someone say, I'm like, question 3, I thought I heard question 3.
Oh,
Oh, sorry.
3, question
This
7.
problem, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
No, you're good. So you got 4.8. Yeah, you guys are so close in numbers.
That's what I'm saying. So it's either
Probably have to round it, yeah.
I
Well,
think
0.4 times 12 is 0.48, sorry. So the mean is 4.8, sorry.
Yeah.
And did
maybe
you guys use like the U times P times Q stuff for these? Because I think
Yeah,
that's what okay,
that's
cool.
what I did.
Yeah.
All right.
Wait, hey Belle, what'd you get for the standard deviation? I think she got a 1.7, right?
Yeah, it's because I rounded, but I unrounded it, and it's
1.6971.
yeah.
Okay, so we got the same standard deviation, but the mean you got a 4.8 and I got a 4.7.
I mean, I just did it again, and it's 4.8. So
Okay,
like
we
I
can go
did
with
it on my
that.
calculator.
So it's
All right.
rounding.
So
Okay, cool.
4.8 for mean and standard deviation was
1.7, right?
1.6971.
Oh, so we don't round it.
Do we? Because it just says round 4 decimal needed.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that works.
Yeah, I think when you're doing your problem, she said to like don't finally round until you get your very final answer, then you can round if rounding is required.
Okay.
okay. So are we all good with that one?
Yeah, I think we're good.
Yeah.
Okay.
8. Question 8. What does the X value represent?
The amount that might have blood type, like the type A blood. Maybe.
Yeah, like the number of trials. X usually represents the like, you know, X is 0 through 7 or 0 through, in this case would be 0 through 12. Like trial
is it-
1, trial 2, trial 3.
The trials.
Wait,
amount
but the 12 doesn't the 12 represent the donors that qualify?
Yes. So
Yeah,
it's
I'm going by the notes, like how how these problems are usually worked out in the notes.
So that would
Okay.
so the X value
Like-
represents the donors.
Like N would be the total number of trials, which would be 12, but X value represents each individual donor, I guess is a way to say it. Like donor 1, donor 2.
I said the cumulative amount of people with the type A blood type.
That's what I put. I put the
So
amount might have type A.
So donors with blood type A.
That might
Okay.
have blood type B.
That
Yeah.
might have blood type A. Does everyone agree with this?
Yeah, like those who
Yes,
are
yes.
having their blood typed, I guess.
Okay. So number 9. Each donor gives 1 unit of blood. What is the probability that exactly 5 units collected in this drive will be type A?
I said 0.2270.
That's what I got as well.
Okay. Can you explain how you got this?
I mean, I put it into Excel and then just dragged down the
Yeah.
formula. and saw. You
Easy
can
enough.
also use the formula.
Easy enough. What is the probability that 5 or fewer units collected in this drive will be type A?
0.6653.
I got 6 point. I just got 5.2 instead of 5.3. The rest of the numbers.
I think you
I don't-
guys did you guys just round set differently again?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Okay. 11.
Okay, I did not answer 11.
Our patient may require 5 or more units of type A blood for his upcoming surgery. What is the probability that this blood drive will get him what he needs?
So I just did the previous number 10 minus 1, and then that's 0.5618. Because like if each person gives 1 unit of blood,
Mhm.
so I did every X value. No,
Okay.
I meant sorry, I didn't do the minus. I just did 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. All of those probabilities. If that makes sense.
Yeah, like highlighting them and like summing up their probabilities. Is that kind of what
Yeah.
you did?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that works.
All right. A different patient in need of type B. Okay, I'm not gonna read that. What is the probability? What is the probability that exactly 5 of the 312 donors have type B?
Well, I only did it to like 5 decimal places, but I got 0.0018108.
I got 0.011080, but that was not to just 6. That was it was 7.
Wait,
But how
what
come
did
we
you guys
get
do again? Because I did not get anything like that.
I
Me
got
too.
I got
Let's
0.001180,
Okay,
but I'm not sure.
I definitely just simplified, not like simplified the problem, but just like made it. Yeah, I just didn't write. I didn't do it right. I got 0.01602.
Wait, but it does say around 7 decimals.
7, yeah. I got
So
0.0010.
wait. It's 0.01180.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't get anything like that.
I got 0.001080442.
Okay.
Whoa. Okay. I think we
And
have
I'm taking it right from the Excel that I created.
that's what I did as well, but we have the same first 3 numbers and then the rest, but you're missing a 1. I don't know.
Who?
Okay,
Try this whole situation again.
so wait,
I know.
did you guys? What did you get again?
0.0011080.
And
I
then
got 0.001080442.
See, she's missing a 1. Like we have the same exact thing, but I have 2 1s and you have 1. So it's either I wrote 2 or you wrote like just 1.
Probably double check it.
You
my
wrote
friend.
Because I'm looking at my Excel document right now and it says 0. It says what I just said.
okay.
Okay. We can go with it. We can
Right.
go first.
Repeat that number back one more time. Sorry. I'm like,
0.001080442. I don't know which one's 7.
okay, that's fine.
Oh my God.
We're
All
on
right.
15.
What is the probability that at least
Yeah,
5 of the
Point.
312 donors have type B?
I got 0.0012804.
I got 0.999568.
Wow.
I got 0.998488.
Okay, there's definitely a rounding number between me and Annabelle. We have like pretty much the same exact
Number, yeah.
numbers except for like one thing, which could change the whole like decimal places.
I'm
Like hers, we have the same starting numbers, but then like the last 3 or 4 are different, which means either you rounded it or I rounded it. Like wrong. Because mine's 0.999568. And hers is 0.998 something.
84873.
How does it look on your Excel document?
I don't have mine. Let me check.
Because mine's just my number is just completely nowhere near any of yours.
Mine is 0.
So what do we do?
Okay, so I say,
Let's go with Annabelle's number.
yeah,
just-
let's go with Annabelle's.
yeah, because the first one, I think we just rounded them differently, but like we got the first 3 numbers right.